Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a requested video from Priya sir. Priya, she asked me for doing this brown smoky eye makeup look and I feel this is a perfect summer smoky eye look, and this is such a wearable makeup look for day-to-day basis. Like if you are really not doing a wink like the smoky wink which I have done, you can just go with the smoky brown look and apply just mascara and go as it is, or even you can go for a black wing eyeliner. I did not go for a black wing liner because I think the brown smokiness was really nice. So this is the look how it turned out and I'm so happy creating this look. Thank you so much Priya for giving me such a beautiful request. This is a perfect summer look. Honestly, I love to wear this look whenever I'm going out. Like I think this is gonna be my go-to makeup look because I'm so in love with this and this is very easy to do, very quick makeup look. So I think I'm gonna wear this quite a lot nowadays. But before that, I'll really appreciate if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And even if you wish to follow me on my social media, please go ahead. All the details are there in the description box. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, let's start with this video. As you can see, my skin is not in its best state. Actually, I wasn't well for past 2 days and I had fever and even my nose was bleeding. So I was in a hot mess. But I was missing you guys. Thought of filming this video. I feel better today, but my skin is really in a very bad position. I even can see dark circles. I never get dark circles easily, but if I am getting dark circles, it means I'm not well. So yeah, let's start with this video now. First, I'm gonna be applying this primer. This is the L'Oreal Base Magique and I'll be using this on the T-zone area to blur out any pores I have and blend it out with my fingers. And now for the foundation, I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm going to dab this in my face with a beauty sponge. So now to conceal the darkness under my eyes, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'll be going with this underneath my eyes. And now to highlight the rest of my face, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And this is in the shade Light Pale. And I'm going with this on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on the chin, even underneath my eyes. And I'll be going with the same beauty blender and blend it out. So today I'll be doing cream contouring and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and this is in the shade Toast. And I'll be going with this on the hollows of my cheeks, on the temple, on the forehead, sides of my nose, little bit on the cupid's bow. And now again I'm going to blend this with the same beauty blender. And now I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And I'm going with this underneath my eyes to bake my under eye area. So now to set the other parts of my face, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'll be going with this banana shade first. And I'm just going to set the concealed area. And now to bronze up my face, I'm going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the areas I have contoured. halfway done with my base and now I'll move on to my eyes. And for that I'll be concealing my eyelids first. And now I'll be going with the same bronzer I have used earlier. And I'll be going with this on the crease area. And even lightly I'll be going with this all over the lids. And now for the lid shade, I'm going with this brown shade from Maybelline Nudes palette. I'll be pressing this down on the lid area. And even it's up to you if you want to keep the eyeshadow winged a bit, or even you can go for the rounded smoky eyes. I want to go for a V corner, so I'm going with this right here, and yeah, I'm just patting the color all over my lids. And now again I'll be going with the same bronzer shade and blend the edges out. And make sure there are no harsh lines. And then I'll be going with this shimmery brown shade and I'll be applying this all over my lids. This has a very beautiful shimmery shine to it, so I'm just adding this on my lids. And then I'll be going with this ivory shade right here, and I'll go with this on the brow bone area, just to create a nice gradient effect. So I'm done with my upper lids, and now I'm just going to brush off the excess powder I have on my face. So now for the tide lining and waterlining, I'll be going with this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, and I'll be going with a thick line on the lower lash line. Now again, to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going with this brown from the same palette. And even with the same brown, I'm just going to extend the smoky wing liner, if that makes sense. And now for the liner, I'm going with this Maybelline gel eyeliner. And I'll be drawing a thin line. If you want, you can go for a wing liner as well. And now for the mascara, I'm going with this Maybelline Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So as you can see, I'm done with my eye makeup. I'll be doing my eyebrow off the camera. So if you wish to check out my eyebrow routine, there is an eye right here. If you check that out, you'll get my eyebrow routine. But yeah, I'll just be back. So guys, I'm back after filling in my brows. So now let's move on to face again. So I'm left with my blusher and highlighter. And for the blush, I'll be going with this brown shade. This is a very beautiful earthy brown color. And I'll be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. On the bridge of my nose, on the tip, on the cupid's bow, little bit on the chin and the tops of my cheeks. Even I'll be going with the same highlighter on my brow bone area. And now I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Nude Pink. And even I'm going to fill in my lips with this liner. And now for the lipstick, I'll be going with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cannes. that's it for this makeup look, and I hope you all enjoyed. I hope Priya, you definitely enjoyed this look. This was all your request, and I'm so happy because it turned out so pretty and it was really easy to do. It was a very simple eye makeup look. Like, you can wear this look for any of your outing. You can go for any occasion. If you're going to wear an Indian or a Western, you can surely go ahead. You can wear this for any dinner, movie, date, lunch, and even for shopping. And if you're like me, a makeup junkie, you'll surely love wearing this makeup look. So this was it. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you so much. Like, thank you so much once again. I absolutely love this look. And thank you for all your requests, guys. Like, if you want me to do more such makeup looks, like on your request, go ahead, feel free to comment down below on the comment section box. I'll surely do it for you guys. And that's it for this video. We'll see you all in my next one. Till then, I love you all. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image. And thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.